Hi, hope you all are well and healthy by the grace of God. I discussed in my previous video the power of mental strength. Here I would like to share with you some of the concrete measures. How can we improve our mental strength? When we talk about our mental strength, it means regulate our emotions, manage our thoughts, and behave in a positive manner despite our circumstances. Developing mental strength is about finding the courage to live our own values and being bold enough to create our own definition of success. Actually, mental strength involves more than just willpower. It requires hard work and commitment. It's about establishing healthy habits. Just as we go to the gym and lift weight in order to build our physical muscle, on the same way, we must also develop our mental strength through the use of mental tools and strategies. So I discuss some of the tools and strategies which is beneficial for you. So watch this video carefully. Be your own cheerleader. I mean, start loving to yourself. For this, first we have to accept yourself as we are. If you are weak in English, accept it. And after accepting, work on that. Praise yourself each day for whatever we have accomplished, big or small. Say something positive and encouraging word to yourself every day. I mean, when you get up in the morning, sit in front of the mirror and say something positive to yourself. I'll show you by doing. When I get up in the morning, I sit in front of the mirror and say to myself, "Hi, I am looking beautiful." Whether I am looking beautiful or not, but say to yourself, "I am rock. I am ready to face challenges. I can do everything." Like this. It might be strange at first and even funny सा भी लगेगा. But the more we do, the more will it become natural and start believing it. Never ever scold yourself for your poor decision and for making mistakes. अब जब गलती हो ही गई तो रिग्रेट फील करने से क्या होगा? But learn from your poor decision and mistakes. Invest time in your personal growth. Do the things for yourself, like speaking skills and personality developments. I mean, according to the things that will help you in your career growth. Be a bit selfish for your career growth. This thing is bitter but true. Also develop your personal interest and hobby. Do whatever makes you feel good, like singing, dancing, playing an instrument. Collect positive and inspiring quotes to have around your home, your workplace, your kitchen, your bedroom, even your phone. Display पर ही लगा लो any one positive quote. This will surely help you to focus on the positive things in your life. Get connected with the nature as often as possible. To start your day with 15 minutes walk in the park. It will surely help you to disconnect from the chaos of the ever demanding world. नेचर के साथ भी टाइम स्पेंड करके देखो आप. Next, disconnect from your gadget once a week. It will surely help you to recharge, to reset and regroup. No internet for 24 hours does wonder for our mind. I know that it's a very tough for you, but just try to do it once a week. हफ्ते में एक बार ऐसा करके देखो. इंटरनेट के बाहर भी कोई दुनिया है. Laugh at yourself. Be childlike, be playful. Connect with your inner child. When you can laugh at yourself, you attract happiness and joy. And when you are serious, you attract seriousness to you. So smile each day. वो पंजाबी में कहते हैं ना, कभी हंस भी लिया करो बाजी. If I talk about myself, I love to laugh. And especially when I sitting alone. कोई पुरानी सी कोई हंसी की बात याद करके हंस लो, हंसने से क्या जाता है? It gives you positive energy. Okay. Next one, create a game. Changing your sentence. Instead of thinking, I will never able to do that. Turn it around and say, I can do that. Step forward and take action by your words. It is much more effective just by saying. You also might surprised after watching these results. Write your diary each day. This diary is for you to dump your thoughts and emotions onto it. When you write about your thoughts and emotions, you gain clarity what is happening in your life. This is an excellent way to process your thoughts and emotions. Have a healthy and balanced breakfast each day before start your day. People who eat breakfast each day are more focused on their goals and tasks. They have more energy and more productive and get more out of their days. Also drinking more water and hydrate your body. Limit your tea or coffee intakes. Try to drink 2 liter water each day. This will surely help you to hydrate your body. When our body is hydrated, our mind functions are much more productive as compared to less use of water. Never ever compare what others are doing with their lives to what you are doing. It is none of your business. Focus on what you are doing in your life. हमने क्या लेना देना कोई अपनी लाइफ में जो मर्जी करे. Why we waste our energy to do that? So we will not do this. Pray to God daily. It is a part and parcel of our life. We surrender ourselves to God. We should pray to God from the core of our heart. After doing this, we will feel extremely better and satisfied. At last, don't expect immediate result. Change in behavior and habits take time. It involves constant attention and regular work. Expecting immediate result just leads to disappointment. So focus on your strength, not on your weakness. Focus on what you are good at so that you receive positive and rewarding thoughts. One tree can make hundreds of matchsticks, but one matchstick can burn hundreds of trees. I mean, one negative thought burn your all positive thoughts. देखो एक नेगेटिव थॉट्स हमारे सारे पॉजिटिव थॉट्स को खत्म कर सकता है. इतनी पावर होती है नेगेटिव थॉट्स में. सो डोंट बी नेगेटिव. ऑलवेज थिंक अबाउट पॉजिटिव थिंग्स. Surround yourself with positive people. It will surely help you to make mentally strong. Okay, that's all about our today's video. If this video is beneficial for you, then like, subscribe this channel and share with your friends. Thank you.